Hi, I'm Sadie.
And I'm Katie, and we're here to help you prepare for lab.
In this video, we're going to walk you through some basic procedures for your first lab. Katie, what do we have in store for today?
Well, Sadie, I'm glad you asked. For this first lab, we're going to familiarize ourselves with the glassware and equipment we'll be using in lab this semester. First, we'll determine which glassware is more accurate, a graduated cylinder or a beaker. Sadie, will you get 30 milliliters of water into the 50 milliliter beaker?
Sure. There you go.
Now pour the water into the graduated cylinder. Now be sure that you read from the bottom of the meniscus and not the edges to get the most accurate reading. And when you record your data in your lab manual, be sure to estimate to the tenths place in your reading.
We have 30.5 milliliters of water.
Now be sure to keep the water and the graduated cylinder for part 3 of your lab. Now in the second part of the lab today, we'll be given 30 grams of an unknown metal substance. Now when you use the digital balance, make sure that you zero it out first. It should read 0.00 grams before you add any sample.
Remember, you can always remove sample from the weighing boat if you've accidentally added too much, but never return the chemical to its stock container. In this sample, we have 30.005 grams of sample.
In part 3, you will find the identity of your unknown metal using its density. To find density, we must know both the mass and volume of the sample. Density is mass over volume. So far, we only know its mass.
We can find the volume of the metal by using water displacement. Add your metal sample to the graduated cylinder. The metal sample has caused the water level to rise. This is your new measurement that you should record. Tap the side of the graduated cylinder to make sure that you get rid of any excess air bubbles. We are now at 39.1 milliliters of water.
The volume of the solid is indicated by the change in the volume of the water. Now that we know both the mass and volume of the sample, we can find its density and use the table in the lab manual to identify the unknown.
In the last part of lab today, we will calculate the mass of 25 milliliters of water using its density. Then we will design an experiment to find out its mass.
You will use a pipette to measure out the 25 milliliters of water. The pipette is the most accurate glassware available today. Now, if you don't know how to use a pipette, make sure that you watch Jackie's how-to video. She'll show you how to properly fill and dispense liquid from the pipette.
Katie, how are we supposed to find the mass of this thing? This will not fit on the balance.
That's what we're supposed to figure out. We're going to go so we can get started on this problem. Have fun in lab today.
Wait, I think I got it.
Great. What's your plan?